Okay, we're going to do a quick demo of the Handin command, which is the program that you use on the CS server for both handing in your assignments and checking out your assignments and checking to see if your assignments are correct. So that was the man page. You can go and read about the Handin command by doing man handin. That'll tell you all the things that I'm getting ready to go over. The first thing that you might use the Handin command for is checking your assignment due dates. As you can see, I am in CS 20201 is the account that I'm in right now. So as long as you are in a class account, you do not have to specify the -C option with the Handin command. So if I just type in Handin, it's going to find the 202 assignments and tell me their due dates. As you can see, there is homework 1, homework 3, homework 4, homework 5. Homework 1 was due on August 21st. Homework 3 was due on August 26th. Homework 4 was due on August 31st. And homework 5 is due on September 5th. Today's date is September 2nd. And as you can see, homework 1 and homework 4 both say past due. But homework 3, even though it is also past due, it doesn't say that. It just says late submissions allowed. That means you can still turn in this assignment. Homework 4 and homework 1, they say past due, which means you cannot turn in this assignment anymore. All right. So that is checking your assignment due dates. The next thing that you would do with the Handin command is check out an assignment. Again, if I type in Handin, it shows me in my assignments. Homework 5 is the one I'm going to check out. So I'm going to do Handin -- checkout HW5. And it tells me that it is making a directory called homework 5 HW5, and it's putting makefile and problems 1 through 5 in that directory. If I do ls-l, homework 5 is there. And I can change directories into homework 5, and those are the files that it said it was copying, makefile and problems 1 through 5. And if I open it up, problem1.c, it has something in there. It's whatever your instructor put in that file for you to see. It's going to be in there. So that is checking out an assignment. Notice if I try to check out an assignment that is already there. So if I try to check out homework 5 again, it'll tell me that I cannot check out that assignment. All right, we'll come back to that later at the end. The next thing that you would do is you would want to check. You're going to use the homework check feature of the Handin command to see if your problems are correct. If I go into homework 5, homework 5. The first thing I need to do is compile my files. First, I'll show you what happens if you don't compile your files. If I go back to my home directory, handin --hw check. This is how you do the homework check. HW5. It's saying no null file. And then it says no assignment files are found right here, which means that I haven't compiled my files. So if I go back into homework 5 and I say make, in this case, make, now I have problems 1 through 5, they're compiled. All right. I'm going to go back to my home directory and do handin --hw check HW5. And now it's just saying program is incomplete, -1. So now it's able to test my programs, but it knows that they don't do what they're supposed to be doing, right? Oops. So if I go into homework 5 now, I'm going to open one of the files. I'm going to open problem2.c, and I'm going to put something in here that is definitely incorrect. So I'm going to just delete whatever it says here in the main and printf, this is wrong. So this is obviously not the correct output. I'm going to remake the files. And now I'm going to run the Handin command one more time. And I just ran handin --hw check homework 5. And for problem 2, it shows my output versus the output it is expecting. Okay? And this is obviously not the same as this, so I missed the point on that one. Alright. So now if I go and let's find a homework problem that I have completed. If I go into homework 3 in my home directory and look at these files, if I look at, say, 1D arrays in c.c, this one has been filled out and it is correct. So I'm going to run the handin command of the homework check feature on homework 3, like this. And so this is what the output looks like if your program is correct. Pass 4 out of 4 checks, pass 3 out of 3 checks. That's what you want to see. And once you see this, well, you want to get it as close to passing all of the checks as possible, of course, and then you would want to turn in your assignment. All right, and that's the next thing that you can do with the handin command. So say I want to turn in homework 5. I'm going to do, well, actually let's do homework 3 since it's actually complete. I'm going to do handin homework 3. I don't have to put any other arguments here. You just say handin homework 3. Press enter. And it says this output right here is I have already turned in this assignment previously. That's what it's telling me there. So this is a second submission. Normally it would just have submitting assignment homework 3 and handing in files here. This is the normal output. This is the output if you've already turned in the assignment previously. All right. So that's turning in your assignment. Let's try to turn in let's do handin homework 5. And so this is the normal output that you would expect if this is the first time that you've turned it in. Let's do it one more time. And now it's telling me that it's deleting those files, right? Because I've already turned it in once. So you can turn in your assignments more than once. If you turn it in once, you're not locked in, right? And the last thing I wanted to go over, so we had a situation in 202 recently where I changed the assignment after I had already assigned it, right? So I changed problem 3. Say if your instructor changes a problem, they tell you about it and they say that you need to recheck out the assignment, but you've already started working on it. If you try to recheck out homework 5, so -- check out homework 5, it tells you that it already exists in your home directory. So the procedure for doing this is I would go into homework 5 and I would make a directory called like new or something like that. Actually, you don't really need to make a new directory. You can just check out homework 5 from right here. So handin -- check out homework 5. Now I have a homework 5 directory within my homework 5 directory. And say your instructor said problem 3 was changed. All right. So now that I've done that, I can copy homework 5 / problem 3.c and put it in the current directory, which is homework 5. All right. And now I've replaced the file that they changed, and I can remove the homework 5 directory that I just checked out. Of course, you have to use the -r option when you're deleting a directory. And now that's how you would check out one file if your instructor changed it, and that way it preserves the work that you've already done. All right. So yeah, that's how you use the handin command.